Welcome to Ayush Bharat, an Indian platform of global Ayush specialists and global Ayush suppliers for a healthier life of its users. Ayush Bharat is dedicated to empower the Ayush specialist and make it accessible to everyone with a smartphone. Ayurveda or Ayush on the whole can make a significant impact on the world's health if it is successfully and properly implemented to make it accessible. And Ayush Bharat is trying positively for this. Ayush Bharat is a web and application platform strictly as per telemedicine practice guideline by Central Council of Indian Medicine, where Ayush specialists will be onboarded along with Ayush suppliers, thereby ensuring that the users get what they want for their personal aim towards a healthier lifestyle. The user shall be able to view the list of Ayush specialists, filter them on the basis of their location, experience, expertise to seek consultancy. Once the user has received the consultancy, he or she may purchase the products right from the same portal or app. Sitting at your home, Ayush consultant can give consultancy and the user can receive consultancy from world's best Ayush consultants, as well as get the products delivered at their door. Features users will get after onboarding: personalized root cause based treatment, 5,000 plus Ayush specialists on single platform, 30 plus specialization of treatment, India's first Ayush specialist telemedicine center, text chat, audio chat and video chat are available, access to prominent global Ayush specialists, e-prescription after consultancy. How Ayush Bharat is user friendly. Ayush Bharat is the gateway to complete wellness. Ayush Bharat is an end-to-end platform which will strengthen the conventionally operating industry with modern IT, intuitive tools and continued support. Users can buy various Ayush products easily on a single platform and get them delivered at their homes. Ayush specialists and suppliers can be approached easily over web and app interface. Secure and safe system made as per CCIM telemedicine guidelines and e-com. Provide access to Ayush experts beyond boundaries. Trusted platform for all kinds of Ayush services and products. Download Ayush Bharat application for Ayush user or search on Google Play Store or log in for more information www.ayushbharat.com